A rustic bathroom can be the ultimate culmination of classic and modern decor. While interior design trends come and go, rustic bathroom ideas remain timeless and comfortable. Mainly because wood mirror frames, classy wooden wall panels, adorable DIY shelves, rough stones, hardwood flooring, old-school light fixtures, barn doors, overgrown plants, vintage furniture, and raw materials can make any space look more inviting. 1. Rustic bathroom decor with wood wall, mirror frame, vanity, shelves and floors. This gorgeous rustic bathroom opens up to the master bedroom for a very contemporary design. The rustic concepts start with the big wood wall separating the bathroom and bedroom. The cute vanity, sinks, and faucets combine functionality with a modern touch. The wood mirror frame, flooring, dark furniture, and cool old-school light fixtures provide a minimalist yet luxury feel. 2. Contemporary rustic bathroom with sliding barn door. You don't need to resort to vintage furnishing to get that rustic feel if that's not your thing. Blending modern touches is an accessible way to elevate your bathroom without sacrificing comfort. This beautiful sliding door, for instance, is enough to ensure that the space has a pastoral feel to it. 3. Cool bathroom with gray wood paneling. Wood paneling adds a raw element to otherwise modern spaces, so it's a great pick for a small rustic bathroom. If you plan to add a wood wall or more to your design, keep in mind that it will need diligent care due to concerns about mold. 4. Elegant wooden vanity. If you have more room in your budget, a custom-made wooden vanity goes a long way towards turning your bathroom into an oasis. Keep the rest of the colors neutral and the accessories to a minimum to make the vanity the focal piece. 5. Chic bathroom with functional storage space. Stone and wood go great together, so adding a bit of both to your bathroom is a surefire way to give the space a rustic feel. To complete the look, consider investing in posh accessories like a plush rug, fresh flowers, and stylish faucets. 6. Spacious bathroom with massive wood paneling and cute tiles. Mixing rustic details with modern touches ensures that your bathroom sports a more eclectic vibe. In this case, the massive wood paneling goes well with the contemporary tiles and helps the space stand out in all its elegance. 7. Country-themed bathroom with stone accent wall. This example features a marvelous stone wall, which provides the perfect backdrop for the vintage-looking mirrors and wooden vanity. If you are looking to add some plants to the space, opt for ones that don't need a lot of natural light to thrive. 8. Masculine bathroom design. Sometimes keeping things simple and easy is the way to go, especially when you already made sure that the walls are the focal point of attention. Here, the wood and tiling provide a lot of texture for the space, so adding even more decor pieces like art or shelving would be overkill. 9. Luxury upscale furnishings. This luxury rustic bathroom has all the glam one could crave, from the spacious walk-in shower to the luxurious stone walls. There's even a small TV to make baths more entertaining. If you have something similar in mind, reaching out to an interior designer is a smart move. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and give your comment in this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.